All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I took this trade late in the day. It is the day before the Fed interest rate news, and so late in the day we had a setup that came out. As you can see, my original stop was down here where it's supposed to be, but now I moved it up. I'm just going to keep locking in profit. If this thing keeps going, perfect. If not, that's cool. I'll make, I got 6 trade accounts running, so this is working very, very beautifully. And I did send this alert out to our futures group. If this thing hits 300, I'm going to take my 300 right in front of y'all. Let's see. Here we go. I'm taking the money. $297 per account. That's close enough to 300. So 300 times 6 accounts. Let's see. I can look and see what that looks like. Hold on. I got a 7th account over here. Let me close that out real quick first. It's with Hula Prime or whatever. They use DX feed, and so I can't put it with there we go. So that one is closed out as well. So nicely done. 33, yeah, something, almost 370 on that one. Oh, I should have held. Oh my God, it's going up. It's going further. Oh, no, don't be greedy. Anyway, long story short, y'all see the simple trade. It was a breakout. The market had been choppy all day, as you can see right here. The dashboard is clearly showing that it was a chop day. Why? Because Fed interest rate news, which is why I'm not taking any trade tonight. I'm told the group I'm not taking any trades tonight. I'm not doing it for the Asian session group. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm going to send them out a message real quick. Give me a second. Let me send this out to them. All right, there we go. All right, so let me kind of show you guys what I send out sometimes, people. See if I can show this image. It might pop. It really might pop. Well, bottom line is, it's just an image that says take profit. I don't want to go through all that stuff, man. Actually, let me do it like this. Yeah, let's see it. Okay, there we go. So this is what I sent out into my group. Let me bring this image across. So this is what I told them. I told them, hey, take your profit now. So that's the image I posted in my group. In my futures group, FUTTRIX. I'll show you the website later. That's not a big deal. But anyway, oh my goodness, it might even hit. It might even hit. But either way it goes, it's close enough, and it's leading late in the day, so I'd rather just take the money and run. But again, simple trade. It was having a choppy day, and this is on the 3-minute. Once it broke out, ended the trade right here, as you saw. And it's edging towards take profit, but again, I don't feel comfortable holding it long. It may do whatever, but what we were supposed to do is look at this calky-dalky, right? So let's do 300. Why is my computer so slow? I got so many things running. Boy, I got so many projects running all at the same time. It's ridiculous. So basically, I think I was at 297, right? 297 times 6 accounts. That's 1,700 across each of them. So not bad. Get what I'm saying? So the daily goal is to make 200 per account, but I'll take it to around 297. That's pretty good. And I'm done for today. I'm not trading anymore. I don't care what the market does. Until after the, tomorrow I'll see what the Fed interest rates are doing and then go from there. But for me, that's good enough. So anyway, I just want to show you guys this trade. Make it real simple so you guys can see what it looks like, how simple it is. But the deal is that with this one, it was better to take the trade when the market was slowing down, because you can see at the height of the market, it was all over the place today. Just chop. It was a chop fest. So sometimes it's great to just wait until a little bit afterwards. Normally, I'm not a person who like to trade late afternoons. I like to be done by 11, but when the U.S. session is in the chop fest, then it's best for you to just simply step aside, wait, and then wait for the alert after the London market has closed, and then it's just purely, the late investors coming in and doing up the cleanup. So that's what I did in this situation, just waiting until the late investors came along, and so there we are. So pretty cool. Pretty cool, right in front of you guys. All right, so let me show you the normal websites if you're interested. If you're not, then you're all golden. Have a good day. Here they are. So here's the Easy MT5 if you want that same indicator. It's this one right here called the Parallel Univerz. But all of these trading systems and indicators come with the membership. We also have 2 others that's on deck. Well, actually 3 more trading systems that's going to be coming in the near future. This is more than enough for you guys to get started with your membership, but we do have 3 more coming online soon. I'll let you know when those are released. If you want to be receiving my trade alerts, then you want to go to our website, futrix.com, and sign up for the Asian session. Miss Jenny is back in town, and so now the New York session is back up and going. She had a family situation. So, we want to honor that. Family comes first. But now she's back, and so they had their New York session today. And it's every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So if you want to trade live and learn, it comes here to the New York session and sign up at Futrix. Go to New York. It also comes with a free indicator right here. So you want to play and see what that breakout indicator looks like. It's beautifully done by Miss Jenny. So that comes with your membership if you want to be part of the Futrix. So it just depends if you want to be my trade alerts or live with her. Now we also have, and I've been posting all week long so far, all the winners and stuff and the profits, and so that's coming from our copycat service, supereasycopycat.com, and that's why we have several different services in there. Just click the join button, you'll see them in there. But if you just say, you know what, I don't want to trade, I don't have time to trade, then what you want to do is just go right here and play this little thing. You'll see what the software looks like. It only takes minutes to install, and the bottom line is that when I take a trade here, yours will pop up on your screen. When I'm done trading here, it'll close, and I close out, it'll be there. If I take if I close out half the profits, it'll be closed out here. Whatever we do on our accounts, you'll get copied on it. And this works on the MT4, MT5. Last but not least, question always comes up, Uncle P, what if I have like DX feed or Trade Locker or Match Trader, something like that? Then what you want to do, you see they have, and this is a Trade Sync Traders Connect. So what you want to do is open a demo account with MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, put our copier on there, then use Traders Connect to connect to any one of these other ones right here. So basically the trader come in here, and then it'll copy onto CTrader, Match Trader, Trade Locker, or whatever, or DX Feed. I don't know if they even have it to loop over to TraderVate or not, which is the futures platform, but for the oil and silver, gold, Forex, and indices, which is separate from the futures market, Trade Locker, DX Feed, and MT4, MT5, and Match Trader, and I think there's one more. Either way it goes, you go through here to connect those together, okay? That's how you do that there. So just open a demo account on the MT4, MT5, put our software on it, our copier, and then go and get a Traders Connect and loop the accounts together so that when your trade comes on here, it'll copy onto there. When it closes out on yours, it'll copy on ours. So basically it's a copy of a copy. You're getting copied on our trades, and then it's copying from our trades to your platform, to your MT4, MT5, onto here, and so forth. And so it's a seamless process. Okay, well, the cost of this one, people always ask that. And please don't ask me to do a video on this. You can ask them how to do all that. It's very easy to use. But since I'm not the expert on their platform, I prefer you guys direct all questions to them. But the simple way to do it is to have the $10 per account. So if you have 2 accounts, it's just $20 a month, which is basically nothing. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. That was a great win for today.